Create a two-way RAID. The following command creates a two-way RAID1 array named my underscore LV in the volume group my underscore VG, that is 1G in size. LV create hyphen hyphen type is RAID1, hyphen M is 1, hyphen capital L is 1G, hyphen in my underscore LV, my underscore VG. Logical volume my underscore LV created. Logical volume my underscore LV created. Create a RAID pair with types. So create a two-way RAID. The following command creates a two-way RAID1 array. So it is a RAID1 array. Hyphen M space 1. Hyphen capital L space 1G. Hyphen the name of the volume group is my VG. Name of the logical volume is my LV. Hyphen in my LV, hyphen in my underscore LV, my VG. So LV create hyphen type is RAID1, hyphen M is 1, hyphen capital L is 1G, the size is 1G, hyphen name is my underscore LV, the logical volume group name is my underscore VG. So LV create type is RAID1, hyphen M is 1. Hyphen capital L 1G hyphen N my underscore LV my underscore from the volume group my underscore VG. So I'll create this volume group my underscore VG. So I've added 5 disks STA, STB, STC, STT, STE. Size of each disk is 5G. I want to create physical volume on all these devices. So to create it, pv create /dev/st square bracket a to e. It successfully created the physical volume uh, on all the disks. SVG create volume to create by VG. So you can see the total size of the volume group now is 25G. So added a volume group of size 25G here. So adding a logical volume, I'm creating a two-way RAID. LV create hyphen two-way RAID1 array. LV create hyphen type is RAID1. Hyphen M is 1 means number of mirrors. Hyphen capital L 1G. Hyphen N the size. So name is my underscore LV. LV my underscore LV underscore RAID1. And the volume group is my underscore VG. The logical volume my LV RAID1 created LVS. So the size of the logical volume is 1G. and the volume group it belongs to is my underscore VG. Name of the logical RAID is my LV RAID 1. LV underscore name comma VG underscore name comma origin. Create a RAID array with stripes. Create a RAID array with stripes. The following command creates a RAID array with three stripes and one implicit parity drive. So three stripes and one implicit parity drive named my underscore LV in the volume group my underscore VG that is 1G in size. Note that you can specify the number of stripes similar to an LVM stripe to volume. The correct number of parity drives is added automatically. The correct number of parity drives is added automatically. So adding more this here. They want to extend the volume group VG1 with these volumes, with this disk. So first I will create a volume, first I will create physical volumes on this disk D to K. PV create /f/st D to K. Now VG, okay, F is with a D, E, F are already added. So G to K, G to K got added. G to K. Now VG extend, the volume group extend my underscore VG with the physical volume /f/st G to K. So volume group extended VGS LVS LSPLK. So create a right by array with stripes. The following command creates a right by array with three stripes and one implicit parity drive. So three stripes and one implicit parity drive, three stripes and one implicit parity drive named my underscore LB. So three stripes and one implicit parity drive named my underscore LB in the volume group my underscore VG that is 1G in size. That is 1G in size. Note that you can specify the number of stripes similar to an LVM striped volume. That is 1G in size. Note that you can specify the number of stripes similar to an LVM striped volume. The correct number of parity drives is added automatically. You can specify the number of stripes similar to an LVM striped volume. The correct number of parity drives is added automatically. So create a right array with stripes. The following command creates a right array with three stripes and one implicit parity drive named my underscore LV in the volume group my underscore VG that is 1G in size. Note that you can specify the number of stripes similar to an LVM striped volume. The correct number of parity drives is added automatically. LV create hyphen type. LV create hyphen type is RAID 5. Type is RAID 5 hyphen I space 3 hyphen I space 3 hyphen capital L. Size is 1G. hyphen n space my LV hyphen n space my LV rate 5 from the volume group my underscore VG my LV rate 5. So LV to create hyphen type is rate 5 hyphen I hyphen capital L1G hyphen N my underscore LB underscore 85 my underscore VG. So logical only my LB rate 5 created. So man LB create what is slash hyphen I? Slash hyphen I means stripes, number of stripes. So the number of stripes hyphen I means the number of stripe number of stripes. M is the number of mirrors and I is the number of stripes. LV create man LV create man LV create slash hyphen M is mirrors number so VGS. So now it has two logical volumes in it and LVS. So my LV rate 5 is added. Now my LV rate 5 is added. So create a right 6 array with stripes. LS BLK also shows it. See for RAID 1 it has taken STB and STC. STB and STC, the system has taken STB, STC. So RAID 5 also it has taken ST, STB, STC, STC, STD, 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 STE. So RAID 5 also it has taken. So one is for parity. So one implicit parity drive and three stripes with three stripes. So create a RAID 6 array with stripes. Create a RAID 6 array with stripes. The following command creates a RAID 6 array with three stripes and two implicit parity drives. So three stripes. So one implicit parity drive in case of RAID 5. So this is the implicit parity drive. STT, STB. STB is the implicit parity drive. So RAID 5. RAID 5, RAID 5. Okay, so three implicit. One implicit parity drive with three stripes. So similarly, the create a right 6 array with the stripes. The following command creates a right 6 array with three stripes and two implicit parity drives. So it creates a right 6 array with three stripes. It creates a right 6 array with three stripes and two implicit parity drives named my underscore LV in the volume group my underscore VG that is 1G 1 gigabyte in size. So named my underscore LV in the volume group my underscore VG that is 1G 1 gigabyte in size 1 gigabyte in size. So LV create hyphen type is right 6 hyphen I3 hyphen capital L 1G hyphen N my underscore LV my underscore VG. So number of stripes is 3 in both cases. The level is rate 5 rate 6 here rate 5 rate 6 hyphen capital S 1G hyphen N. Name of the logical element volume group. So LV create LV create hyphen type Type is rate 6, hyphen I is 3. So this is the number of stripes. Number of stripes is 3, hyphen capital L is 1G, size is 1G, hyphen N, name of the volume group my underscore LV underscore rate 6, my LV rate 6, and volume group is my underscore VG. So LVS, so rate 6 created LSPLK. You can see rate 6 here, and STF, STE, rate 6, my VG, my LV rate 6, STD, STC, STB. So LB create hyphen type is rate 6, hyphen I is 3. So this number of stripes. Number of stripes is 3. The size is 1G. Hyphen the name of the volume group my LV. Rate 6 logical volume group is my underscore VG. Display the LVM device my underscore VG slash my underscore LV, which is a two-way RAID 1 array. So display the LVM device my underscore VG slash my underscore LV, which is a two-way RAID 1 array. Two-way RAID 1 array LVS hyphen O hyphen A hyphen O name comma copy underscore percent copy underscore percent comma devices my underscore VG. So display the LVM devices with my underscore VG slash my underscore LV with which is a two-way RAID 1 array LVS hyphen A hyphen O. So LVS hyphen A hyphen O name comma copy underscore percent copy underscore percent comma devices my underscore VG. So I was seeing it earlier using LSPLK. Now I can see using this command. LVS hyphen A hyphen O LVS hyphen A hyphen O name comma copy underscore percent comma devices my underscore VG. So logical volume, copy percentage and devices. So what are the devices present in the RAID? So all the devices are shown here. My LV RAID 5, DCD, BCDE, BCDE, RAID 6, BCDEF, BCDEF, R image R beta, R image R beta 0123, R image R beta. Additional resources LV create and LVM RAID man pages on your system. Configuring an LVM pool with RAID by using the storage RHL system role. With the storage system role, you can configure an LVM pool with RAID on RHL by using Red Hat Ansible automation platform. You can set up Ansible playbook with the available parameters to configure an LVM pool with RAID. Prerequisites: you have prepared the control node and the manage nodes. You are logged into the control node as a user who can run playbooks on the manage nodes. The account you use to connect to the manage nodes has sudo permissions on them. Create a playbook file, for example, date/playbook.yml with the following content. triple hyphen hyphen space name colon manage local storage host colon managed hyphen node hyphen 01 dot example dot com task colon hyphen space name colon configure LVM pool with RAID ansible dot built-in dot include underscore role colon name colon redirect dot RHL underscore system underscore roles dot storage VRS colon storage underscore safe underscore mode colon false storage underscore pools colon hyphen space name colon my underscore pool type colon LVM disk colon square bracket STH comma STI write underscore level colon rate 1 volumes colon hyphen space name colon my underscore volume size colon 1 GB mount underscore point colon double quote slash MNT slash app slash shared fs underscore type colon xfs state colon present for details about all variables used in the playbook use see the USR share Ansible roles RHL hyphen system hyphen roles dot storage slash readme.md file under control node. Validate the syntax playbook syntax Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen syntax hyphen check field slash playbook.pyml. Note that this command only validates the syntax and does not protect against a wrong but valid configuration. Run the playbook Ansible hyphen playbook tilde slash playbook.pyml. Verify that your pool is on RAID. Ansible managed hyphen node hyphen 01 dot example dot com hyphen m command hyphen a lsblk. Additional resources USR share Ansible roles RHL system roles dot storage slash readme dot md file USR share doc RHL system roles slash storage direct managing RAID